In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on Wix desktop. Let's get started by opening up your Wix editor. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website. Once you're on the homepage, log in and head over to your site dashboard. From there, locate the option that says Edit Site, and if you're using Wix Studio, you'll see Edit in Studio. Click on the one that applies to your version of Wix. Next, ensure that you are in the desktop view of your website editor. This is crucial because we're focusing on making changes specifically for the desktop layout. At the top of your editor interface, you'll see icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure the desktop icon is selected before moving forward. This guarantees that all the adjustments you make will apply solely to the desktop version of your site. Now it's time to select the section or strip you want to hide. Simply click on the section, strip, or container that you have in mind, and you should notice a blue outline appearing around it. This indicates that it's properly highlighted and selected for editing. Here's where it gets a little specific based on the version of Wix you're using. If you're working in Wix Studio, you'll need to open the inspector panel found on the right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down to find the section marked Visibility. Once there, simply toggle off the option that says Show on Desktop. This will hide the section exclusively on the desktop view while it remains visible on other views like mobile or tablet if those settings are active. For those using the classic Wix editor, after selecting your section, you can either right-click on it or use the toolbar that appears above the section. Look for the option that says Hidden on Desktop and select it. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using the Layers panel, find the section there and click the eye icon next to it to hide it from the desktop view. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good practice to double check your other device views. Switch over to mobile view or tablet view if you're in Wix Studio, and ensure the section remains visible if that's your intention. Remember, you can repeat the visibility toggle process for mobile or tablet views as well, should you need to. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the last step is to save and publish your work. Click Save and then Publish to have your updates reflected live on your site. Doing so ensures that your hidden desktop sections are not visible to your visitors while still maintaining elements as you wish on other devices. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage the content visibility on your Wix site for desktop browsers.